The Emancipation Proclamation was a significant turning point and shifted the focus of the Civil War. After the proclamation was issued, the Union received advantages in the areas of military, politics, and economics which crippled the Confederacy. The proclamation greatly impacted the outcome of the Civil War and was an important factor that led to the victory of the Union. The proclamation was first and foremost created to preserve the Union, and secondly to free the slaves. President Abraham Lincoln issued it on January 1, 1863, declaring all slaves in the rebellion states free. The Emancipation Proclamation effectively sabotaged the Confederacy. It weakened the Confederacy, depriving it of its use of slaves in the war effort. It also allowed African Americans to fight for their freedom, and by the end of the war, about 200,000 African Americans served in the Union Army. Britain and France supported the Confederacy to expand Western influences, but the proclamation discouraged intervention of European nations. By linking the war to slavery, Lincoln ensured that the European countries would not join the war in aid of the South. The Emancipation Proclamation shifted and expanded the focus of the war. The Civil War was no longer a battle about preserving the Union, but also a fight for human freedom. It became a war for a new birth of freedom. The Emancipation Proclamation had a huge impact on the outcome of the Civil War. It served to preserve the Union by giving it the upper hand and changed the purpose of the war. The Emancipation Proclamation gave numerous advantages to the Union and ultimately secured a victory for the Union.